Welcome to Free Job Camp. In the previous episode, we have seen a brief roadmap on how to get a software job. We have also seen various courses that are available to get a job in coding category. When there are so many roles and so many programming languages, it will be confusing for freshers to choose a particular course. So whenever freshers ask me to suggest a course, I will always suggest them to go with the front end course, preferably React.js course. So one of the advantage of choosing React.js course is it provides a low entry barrier for front end developers compared to a back end developer role or a DevOps or some other role. Front end role provides a low entry barrier. Let's take an example. Let's create a simple hello world app. So I just created an empty file hello.html. I'll just write hello world. I'll just save this and I'll open this file in the browser. See, it has just printed hello world. So to get started with front-end coding, all you need is a notepad and a browser. These two tools are available in almost all operating systems, whether it is Windows, Linux or a Mac, it's already there. But if you are choosing for some other programming language or a backend language, you might have to undergo some installation steps, and then you have to install particular editors, and then there will be additional steps like compiling, building, etc. So those roles or those courses, the entry barrier will be bit high. And as you've seen here, this is just a simple hello world file. I'll just show one more file. Here we have a file called form.html. It barely has some 10-20 lines. So if we load this file in the browser, we can see a simple form that is being rendered here. So with just like 10-20 lines of code, we have already built a small form. So when we start with the front-end course, since the entry barrier is low, you can build a static website or a small React.js app, and you can easily showcase to any companies when you go for an interview. So that is one advantage of choosing React.js course. And the other advantage is you can easily host your code for free on GitHub or any other website. Since the final code will always be a simple HTML, CSS, JavaScript files, you can just host it anywhere on the internet for free. And when you attend job interviews, in your resume, you can just link to your sites. So that is one more advantage. In case of a backend developer or a DevOps role, you have to get some server where you can host your backend code, and then you have to make some deployments. So there will be additional steps in learning and setting up backend systems. Compared to that, front end is quite easier. So this is the main reason why I always recommend a front end course for freshers if they want to get started quickly. So that's it for today's session. In tomorrow's session, we'll get started with React.js course. So stay tuned.